I got an offer to actually do a joint venture in terms of developing in a Python environment.
Please tell me about yourself, your background, and your skill set. Also, the course that you have taken from us and where you belong to.
All right. Okay, my name is Malcolm. I kind of matriculated way back in 1982. Sort of went into, and I've been involved in a lot of industries within the IT world. Recently, as of 2019, I was a manager for support and also new systems as well as BI, business intelligence.
Correct.
And that's kind of where the career sort of stopped, sort of with the retrenchments, or at least not retrenchments, but what do you call it? Severance package. I wanted a career change, effectively.
Correct.
So that's pretty much where I'm at this point. Kind of still dabbling in programming and stuff like that.
Okay, so that's why you moved to the data science master program, right? That's really good, actually. So you took the training with us, must have gone through a couple of sessions. So how was your experience with my mentors or instructors?
It was pretty cool. The classes are, I mean, they're fairly interactive. What I found that the instructors, they seem to be very knowledgeable and then sort of industry experts. And that kind of gives you confidence, because you're like, okay, these guys know what they're talking about. And, to have someone like that being able to make reference to real world situations, it kind of helps and gives you confidence with, that this is the person training you.
Okay. So has this course been able to fulfill your expectations so far?
No, definitely it has. Being new to Python, because that's the current path I'm on now, it's definitely fulfilling and actually exceeding my expectations. I'm finding it very intriguing to learn about what Python is and can deliver to developers out there and to the industry. So I'm very excited about it. Yes.
Okay, that's really nice to hear. What were the challenges in your life before taking this course, and do you find any difference in that?
Yes, I mean, like I said, I mean, I think my challenges were, and obviously the gray hair is an indication. When I sort of made a career change in 2019, it was to progress down the data line, business intelligence, and that sort of thing. That's why I left my previous employee, and I thought I could actually take a 3-month gap. Which was like from about September 2019. That ran into December, and then 2020 came, and COVID was all over the show. And although the employers out there don't tell you that, I think age was a kind of a limiting factor. And sort of the challenge that I was having was that trying to get back, despite my knowledge and my track record of of being a manager and also a developer, we couldn't get in. I couldn't get into back into the IT market. So after having taken this course and done a bit of programming and also another avenue, I got into Python and actually started working. And then in this year, in June, I got an offer to actually do a joint venture in terms of developing in a Python environment. So very quickly, I mean, it kind of changed just because I took the course and I had a kind of a exposure to this programming language, and also very quickly could grasp concepts and actually how to develop programs. It's kind of starting to turn around now for me, where I've got opportunities to actually be an individual that can develop without needing to be employed by an employer. So it's given me skills.
That's good, actually. Okay, so which is the main thing that impressed you about the Intellipaat or this course?
I think what definitely made me decide to go with Intellipaat was the option of lifetime access. Time is not always your friend. You don't know how long these things are going to take you. You want to go into it, wholeheartedly at the beginning, and then things get in the way. What I did find very attractive was this lifetime access to the course material. So, you could actually live your life a little bit and come back to actually improving and going on. And was a very big plus for me in terms of enrolling for the course.
Okay, that's really nice. The final question would be: will you recommend anybody to Intellipaat?
No, definitely. It's been a good learning experience, and also to know that the quality of the material that you get exposed to is actually relevant. And I would definitely recommend it to beginners through to seasoned veterans also in this field.
Okay. Thank you so much, Malcolm. It was a pleasure speaking with you.